Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 14.2.4 and we're going to configure remote services. You need to customize remote desktop settings on your computer to allow Templax, a help desk technician, remote access to your system. In this lab, your task is to configure Office 1 to allow connections from remote desktop. Add Templax as a user who will be able to connect to Office 1 using a remote desktop connection. Verify that the firewall port for remote desktop are opened appropriately. Answer the question. To access remote desktop settings, in the settings app, select System, then Remote Desktop. Alright, so we'll go over to Start menu and we go to Settings and we want to locate, scroll down, we want to locate remote desktop, and from remote desktop we want to turn remote desktop on. Go ahead and confirm it, and remote desktop users, so we're going to add Templax. We're adding Templax. Go ahead and click OK. Click OK. And then we locate privacy and security. Windows security, firewall and network protection. Allow an app through firewall. And here you want to let's check the questions. Which arbitrary network types are configured to allow access through firewall for remote desktop? Select order, apply. So it's going to be domain network, public network, and private network. Let's go ahead and check our answers. Everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, consider joining my professional membership for extra insider speak. And if you want to reach me, you can reach me through my email address. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Peace.